Hey, hey, beautiful babes, your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome into Sugar Fingers. Yeah. Look here, y'all. I just wanted to share with y'all how I removed my press-on nails, the ones that I put on, and show you how I went from this to this. Okay, yes, honey. Yes, honey. Y'all recall now that I did the big chop on the nails. Yes, I did. It's been a while since I restarted my nails and I had to do it, but I thought since I was getting into the press-on thing that this would be a perfect time to actually do that. So I've cleaned up the nails and I'm getting ready for a new set. You'll see that on the next video, but right now let's just talk about two different ways in which you can try to remove your nails and which one I prefer to do. So let's get into it right now. Let me just show you the processes that I went through, and we'll see which one works best and tell you which one again that I love. If you're new to the channel, welcome in. Don't be a stranger. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That would be awesome. Love to have you hanging out with me. I am not a professional nail tech. I just do it at home, and that's what I've been doing for most of my life, really all of my life. If I've gone to the nail shop 10 times, that is probably the extent of it. But other than that, I do my nails myself, y'all, and I can't say that I do it perfectly, but I do it my way. So I love to share that with y'all. So come along for all of the nail vlogs and things that I got going on here. I love nails. Yes, I do. And I love trying to keep my hands looking as great as possible. They don't right now because I don't have any polish on. And, well, they've been taken care of. I've removed my cuticles. I've buffed them out. So let's get to that process right now. So these are the nails right here. I'm just taking my cotton balls, this jojoba oil, and I'm going to soak it into this cotton ball and see if I can get the nails off using oil. So bear with the process as I dab it underneath the nail, all around the nails, rub it in, and see what happens with this. I know this will be time consuming because I know it's just oil, right? So let's see if I can actually lift up the nails using just oil at all. I'm going to take my cuticle pusher or nail cleaner and try to go underneath there and see what happens. Well, beautiful babes, I tried that and nope, it did not work for me. I pulled and tugged, that did not work. So now I'm just taking my acetone, pouring it into my soaking bowl that I got from Amazon, and the acetone is from Sally Beauty. I'm just soaking my nails now and I will see how this goes instead. Okay, let's see if this helps. All right, I can get under there much better, and this process seems to be a lot quicker and I don't feel all of that pulling and tugging on my natural nail. That was not going to work for me. So to me, number one, the oil process, that doesn't work. So we're going to do this with the acetone, most simplest way. I know it's kind of drying, but again, use oil all around your hands so that it will not dry your skin out extreme. Okay, that's the way we have to do it. So let me finish up on this and you can watch along as I take these nails off. So right now I just took some cuticle oil or whatever oil you have. I'm using jojoba oil and buffing the glue off of the nails so that it'll have a smooth surface for my next application. That's all I'm doing right now. So I will continue that process and file those nails, shape them up, and get all the little, edges cleaned up, and I'll be back in a second. So in order to clean up my cuticle area, I am using this new cuticle remover that I got. This will help soften and remove my cuticles. It's by Blue Cross, and I ordered this from Amazon, and I have the link below for you. So now I'm just taking my buffer and buffing the nails, and also using the file to go ahead and clean up all of the edges of my nails. So you can never put enough oils back on the nails because you take so much out of them with alcohol and also acetone. So go ahead and make sure you do add another coating of oil to them. So now I'm just going to prepare this other hand, go ahead and soak it and get those nails off. And here we are. Nails are off. Nails feel good, and I am ready for a new set of nails, honey. Listen, this process takes a little time, but it can be done simply and easily. I think the best way is with acetone. And now I'm going to moisturize my hands using my new Pariah Mother of All Creams. I actually did a review of this one on my channel behind the scenes, so check it out if you want more information about it. I will also put the link down below. You can get this from Amazon, but it's great for dry skin, irritated skin, even eczema. It is super moisturizing. And y'all, I am done with these hands, and or might I say these nails. So I'm ready to put on a new set. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me. And then I'm going to also put on some jojoba oil and put that around my cuticles and let that sit overnight. I'm actually not going to put on another set until tomorrow or the next day as it relates to this video. But honey, I love the process of getting ready for some new nails. Hands are feeling good and nails are feeling refreshed. And will I let my natural nails grow back? More than likely I will. I will probably shape them and still put on some press-ons. Who knows? And who knows what I'm going to wear next. All right, beautiful babes, that is it today. Well, maybe it's not. If you stick and stay on the channel, I'm sure you'll see the new set that I decided to put on, and I love them, absolutely. So I am your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me on my nail channel here on Sugar Fingers. Tell somebody all about the channel and tell them to come on over, subscribe, and hang out with us as well. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and please keep your hands looking gorgeous. Not like this. Bye.